To book a flight on Expedia, start by signing in to your account. Once logged in, you can choose from various options such as flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. Select the Flights option and then choose your preferred flight type, which can be a round trip, one-way, or multi-city. You can also select your class of travel, ranging from economy to first class. For this example, choose a round trip in economy class. Next, enter your departure city, which can be a specific airport or all airports in a particular city. Then, select your travel dates. For instance, you can choose to travel from August 30th to September 3rd. If you don't have a car or hotel booking, you can skip those sections. After entering your travel details, click on the Search button. The website will then display a list of available flights. You can filter the results by price, airline, travel time, and other preferences. If you're looking for the cheapest option, select the flight that best fits your budget. Once you've chosen your outbound flight, you'll need to select your return flight. The price for the return flight will be added to the initial flight cost. You can then review your flight details, including the cancellation policy and any additional fees. Before finalizing your booking, you can choose to add extras such as seat selection or flight protection. However, be aware that these may incur additional costs. To complete your booking, fill in the required traveler information and choose your payment method. Expedia accepts various payment options, including debit cards, American Express, and other credit cards. Carefully review your booking details and payment information before clicking the Complete Booking button. It's also recommended that you read the terms and conditions of your flight booking to ensure you understand the cancellation policy and any other important details.